Type 9.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Everyday Growth Advisors live stream. It's a Friday. Dun 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 dun. It is another week for us to choose another ticker of the week, and I hope that you guys are having a great morning. Welcome into the exclusive Everyday Growth Advisors live stream where we do the pre-market breakdowns and the good stuff. Here are the past tickers of the week. It is insane that we have covered so much ground in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different weeks. It's been 4 months since we have been using this new ticker cycle, and I cannot believe that we have broken so many tickers down for this amazing group of people that I call my family, the EGA tribe. So let's continue the momentum today. We know what we want to do. Use the format, new ticker plus the ticker, vote for your new ticker for next week. I have a little birdie telling me that we should vote for Neo. No, I'm just kidding. Vote for whatever you want, and let's see. But maybe Neo will stick, you know? I think you should choose Neo. I'm just kidding. Honestly, just choose whatever you want as long as it's Neo, okay? Well, what do we have? We have markets doing all kinds of backflips and somersaults and flip-flops and drop tops and I don't know. My rapping is extremely good, as you can tell. But in other news, Boeing's is goings today. Pre-market up about, I don't know, how many schmeckles here. Lots of dollars going into Boeing's. Let's have a look at the extended hours here. Yeah, it's looking great. Look at this buy up here. Actually, more volume coming in right now. You can see the pre-market action going on here. Out of news from Europe that the 737 MAX has been lifted off the ground. You know, we've been following this stock for a while. I've been talking about it, and you know what? This might just be the catalyst to set it off today. But then again, we kind of have to wait for the FAA to approve it. So, we don't know what's going to actually happen. But we'll see. We'll see. We will see. All right, let's see. Lots of active people in the chat. I love it when you guys talk to me. It's so great. Don't forget to smash the like button, all right? Smash the like button because you love me, and smash the like button because you love yourself, and smash the like button because it's Friday and you can finally have a glass of wine or whiskey or coffee or matcha, and don't care what day it is, what time it is, just drink. Drink water, drink whatever you want, okay? I think I'm a bit hyper because I had dinner, but usually I have dinner too, so I'm not really sure what's going on today. But you know what? I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood, guys, all right? Let's see, new tickers. We all the way up. Hell yeah. Good morning, Pebbles, man. What's up? Welcome back to the live stream, Big City Sounds. Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, Landon. How you doing? Welcome back. Kylie, hello. Anthony, what's up? What's up? 0-day Boeing call. Sounds like a plan. Let's do it. Maybe on a retracement, right? Not here. You know what we do here. We teach you not to chase these tops, right? So make sure that you don't do that. We all the way up. Absolutely, Daniel. Let's do it. Aaron, hello. Hi. Daniel, Uber. Okay, Tesla's getting close to squeezing out. Yes, I saw that. I actually am planning to play Tesla today. This is a good observation, my friend. A good observation. I've been looking to play this for a while now, actually. I think it's gonna squeeze to this glass ceiling and then break it. Matthew, what's up? Good morning. Hi, Joanne. Hello, Neo. Yep. Okay, let's do it, Neo. New ticker TTCF. Remember, Neo. The tickers that you choose has to have a history of at least you know, a couple years of you know, valuations and stuff like that. So don't be choosing some brand new stuff that I don't know. Okay, new ticker HBL. Okay, Neo. Oh, two Neos. We missed the rocket ship and Neo. Maybe Uber, T-Doc, ARC, sell Square yesterday. New ticker Workhorse, retail sale rise. Neo. T-Doc. How did the live stream go yesterday? Sorry, I missed it. It went really good. For the people who were here yesterday, tell Daniel how it went. Did you guys enjoy it? Check it out. We haven't done healthcare. New ticker JNJPFE. You know what, Luis? I am actually okay with that. If you guys choose to do healthcare, I am actually okay with that. Good morning. You have a great day. Greetings from Malaysia. What's up, neighbor? Hello from Singapore. Welcome into the live stream, Henry. Amazon. Evelyn says we should do Amazon. Amazon reports earnings next week, FYI. Caterpillar. Okay, there are a whole bunch of them. Keep voting on your ticker. We'll pick the right one. Try to, you know, as long as you guys pick Neo, that's all that matters. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, let's get started with this live stream, guys. Don't want to fool around too much. But Jack Ma's Ant Group raises IPO valuation target to this. Who cares? Futures gain with Europe stocks. Pound weekend. Market drop. Singapore monitor. Okay. Pfizer targeting late November for COVID vaccine. I think they failed the first one, right? Yuan sudden surge past 6.7 puts spotlight in central bank. Tokyo opens Hong Kong. Okay. Singapore says employer can temporarily cut wages. Okay. Rolls-Royce new car was so quiet at first it made drivers nauseous. What? Man, I think Bloomberg needs to do some better freaking reporting. So I'm just going to X out of this. Do a better job, Bloomberg, if you're hearing this. Come on. Give me a free terminal so I can, read the news that matters. Not this bull crap. U.S. stock edge up to end choppy week on Wall Street. That's what Wall Street Journal says. In the markets, Boeing, Galapagos, Intuitive Surgical, Morgan Stanley profit, revenue rise. Okay, Morgan Stanley, another investment bank to hit the books with the favorable conditions. Europe's COVID lockdown hit stocks, fuel demand outlook. Okay, CTC, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Percentage of U.S. equities trading volume taking place in stocks priced below $5. Ooh, wow, interesting. Okay. Individual investing boom fuel trading in low price stocks. This is the headline. BTS frenzy. Okay. Louis Vuitton Moet Hennessy is firing on the one cylinder that matters. Okay. Just the headlines. Looks like kind of bullish headlines, I want to say. Well, not fully bullish. It's kind of like somewhat bullish, I would say. Somewhat bullish. And let's look at the pre-market movers. Okay. What's up the most? Pfizer, Netflix, Electronic Arts, Hewlett Packard, Morgan Stanley on earnings beat. Boeing up 5.7%. Jesus, man. Jesus, how we miss it. Actually, to be fair, you know what? I was getting kind of sick of Boeing, and now it made its move. So this is what always happens, This is what always happens. The day that I sell my positions, the next day it moves. But you know what? It's all right because I got some other good positions that are going to pay even better. So it don't matter. Let's have a look at the pre-market notable movers. Dow Jones, Boeing here, 6%. Wow. Apple, 1%. Wow. Not bad. 1 million shares of Apple traded today. Definitely be watching that. Caterpillar, looking good. Anything on the event today calendar? Oh, better than expected. Core retail sales, better than... Oh, yeah, retail is better. Okay. Interesting. Industrial production, manufacturing production. Okay, today we have Bank of New York. A bunch of these other companies reporting. We'll see how that goes. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. Boeing, Apple, Pfizer. Okay. Macy's up a little bit. Macy's. That might be an interesting one to look at. Ooh. It's making me feel some type of way. Macy's making me feel some type of way, and I'm not sure why. Looks nice. Looks like an upward, kind of a wedge, I want to say. Almost like a pennant, I want to say. We may continue squeezing, though. I think we'll continue squeezing. We'll continue squeezing up to here. That's what might happen. Like a little something like this. This is what might happen with Macy's. Come on, mouse. Cooperate with me, mouse. There we go. Yeah, we might continue to squeeze in this little triangle, ascending triangle here. Looking interesting. NASDAQ, Tesla. 300,000 shares traded pre-market. Yep, definitely be watching Tesla today. AMD, ticker of the week. Okay, let's talk about ticker of the week for a second. Now, I like AMD here. I think we should take it to the upside. I'm thinking $88 calls for... Let me have a look here. $88 calls for the end of October. 30th October is the play, in my opinion. I like, it chasing up to this little top here. If it breaks, it breaks. But I think it's done selling in my opinion. I don't think we're gonna get our entry in this purple box. But who knows? Who knows, right? Who really knows? I'm gonna get into the SPY technical update in a second. But you can tell how you know, that's going. Amazon, I'm down for Neo. Morning from Alabama. What's up, Thiago? How are you doing? Marvel, Cat, Tencent, Okta. We've done Cat before. Yeah, we've done Cat before. Square, Apple broke out of bull flag pre-market. Did we miss the entry? Ali Financial, Told. Did you get into these positions you post on Discord yet? Not yet. No, I have not. But I want to get into majority of them today. So I probably will on a down dip. I really want the Amazon position more than anything, to be honest, because they report earnings next week, and I think that Amazon might gap up. That's what I think. But you know what? We can't be sure for sure. Okay. I'm gonna see how the market performs today and then make my decision, because I can't really make a decision right now with the market not open yet. Okay. So, AMD 88 calls 10:30. That's the one I'm looking at. All right. That's FYI. Official call out on the live stream. I think that, you know, it might be time for AMD to pop up here. I see a nice little dual zone that we've been consolidating within. You know, this little zone here. You know, it seems to me like we're not really going to break out, you know, below this zone here. I was a little happy that we might, but I don't think it's going to happen anymore. I think this is probably as far as it will go. And then, you know, it might try to come down to touch this channel, but if it does, I'm okay with that. The downside here is not huge. So I'm okay with that touching down and then going back up. That's fine by me. I think maybe if it doesn't give me an entry today on a down move, I'm going to take it on Monday. That's the move with AMD. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. Now, let's look at the SPY pre-market update here. How picture perfect can this be for you, for the guys who attended live stream? You've been here. You know, I spoke about this, you know, very obviously. I talked about this, about how we were expecting SPY to bounce on the 61.8 and 50 retracement here. Okay, this was the expected bounce, and look at that perfect bounce. Perfect bounce, right? I did say, you know, this would be somewhere near the bottom of the channel, and we may see a bounce over here somewhere, right? And we did that perfect bounce, and now the market's rallying back up. This was a perfect correction and a perfect bounce up now. So I think, you know, if we can get a nice wave down today, would be perfect for us to enter on this dip. I don't see, you know, much problems with getting in here. We've seen multiple waves now of entries here. So a nice little wave here, waves going up, consolidation above these moving averages, market rallying here. I think we are set to have a nice little rally before earnings season. NASDAQ, also nice bounce on the 61.8. You can see that right there. Perfect bounce in the golden pocket. Yeah, and we'll see how that actually plays out. We don't actually know how this one will play out, but I think NASDAQ's also looking good here. I kind of find, I'm a little iffy with the NASDAQ behaving this way. I feel like it can still come down and touch the bottom of this this channel here before going back up, but just err on the side of caution. Make sure that you do not go balls deep. All right, be very cautious. Okay, be very cautious. Dow Jones, as I said, the first to recover among all of them, looking really great, especially with the Boeing news. It's going to rip today probably, and that's just the way things go. Okay, so SPY NASDAQ technical update is cautiously bullish. Cautiously bullish. All right, that's the play right now. Cautiously bullish. Okay, great. All right. Morning. What's up, Jacob? How are you doing? New ticker UNH. Amazon earnings. Yeah, Amazon earnings. That's, I think, next week Thursday. It's next week Thursday. 22nd of October. Getting in AMD at open? No, I'm not getting AMD at open. I'll get AMD on a sell-off. I will never buy long positions on a rip. Welcome into the live stream, guys. If you could smash the like button, I would really appreciate it. That helps this YouTube algorithm recommend this video to other people. Can we get to 100 likes today, guys? That is the real question. Can we get to 100 likes? If you are here, please take a second out of your day to help me out. All right, it's Friday. This is the day that usually people will help me press the like button. And so if you can, I would really, really, really appreciate it. Okay, so thank you very much for doing that. Okay, let's have a look at Z's and see how many tickers have been voted. Okay, I have Uber, Uber 1, Neo 1, Neo 2, Uber 2, Neo 2. This guy said it already. Come on. That's it. We have Uber 2 and Neo 2. Come on. Uber and Neo. Which one do you guys want? Which one do you guys want? Are you guys sure Amazon is that date? Because Robinhood was telling me otherwise. Yo, look, man. It's 10/22. Why are you tripping, man? Why are you tripping, bruh? It says it on TradingView and Robinhood. And let's see. October 22nd, man. Why you gotta play me dirty like this, bro? Come on, man. Why you guys gotta do this, man? Why? I'm just kidding. Okay, it looks like we are doing Neo. Robinhood is wrong. Okay, let's see. Okay then. Amazon Investor Relations. Okay. Oh, it said it right here. Upcoming events. Why they do us dirty, man? Past events. Okay, yeah, you're right. You're right. You are right. Oh my God, you are right. See, they do us dirty now. As long as anybody is wrong except for me. All right. I'm completely kidding. Okay, so they changed the earnings date. Got it. All right, cool. Thanks for informing me, guys. Appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Okay. So let's see how many here. Liked and subscribed. Thank you, Kern. Appreciate it. Welcome to the live stream, man. Amazon is okay, so we got that. Let's get that money. Hell yeah. Remember, smash the like button as well. Since you're here, you might as well smash the like button. Neo, Uber. Neo. Uber. Neo. All right then. It's Neo for the new ticker of the week. You guys ready for that? If you guys are ready for Neo, put your hands up. Also, make sure that you guys tell me what you feel we should do for the technical analysis series of the live stream next week. Okay, also, major announcement. All right. This Sunday, I'm going to be changing apartments. All right. Now, I do not know if the live stream will make it for Monday, but be rest assured, I've held the live stream under excruciating circumstances before, and you know I hate to miss a live stream, and I have a commitment to you guys. So, what I want to say is, on next week, be patient with me, because I'm going to be setting up a completely new studio for this live stream. I've been talking about this for a while now, and I hope that you guys are as excited as me, because I want to give you the best possible experience, okay, for this live stream. So I'm going to be upgrading a bunch of things next week. Now, important things. We're going to need ideas on what we want to do for the technical webinars next week. This week was a fundamental webinar. So what kind of technical skills do you guys want to learn? Okay. We did one on patterns. We did one on VWAP the last time. If you guys would like, I can go over one on volume if you like. Would you like me to do one on volume to teach you how to look at volume? You know, how to read volume accurately? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we've done that one before. I'm not sure. And what else? I'm thinking support and resistance, an easy one. There's a video on that too. Moving averages is another one I could do. Explaining about moving averages, that's another one I could do. Let me know what you think. Okay, let me know what you think. Fib, I've already done. I've already done fib retracements. RSI, yeah, that's also possible. But RSI is like very easy. That you could literally watch a YouTube video for that one. I want to do something that, you know, not many people can. Best way to play an ER. That might actually be a great idea. Fibs has already been done, guys. Go check out the webinar playlist. Okay, how about the best way to, how about playing ERs? Like, how do you increasing the chances of predicting an ER, something like that. I don't know. Maybe I can attempt to do a webinar on that, maybe, or like maybe my top 5 things that I look at in a company before earnings. Maybe you think that might help you. Maybe, I don't know. Volume can be the other one on Thursday, right? Elliott Wave, I don't feel comfortable doing yet because I'm not proficient in it. So I don't want to teach you something that I'm not proficient on. I see a lot of people saying volume. Okay, so we'll do volume on Thursday. Okay. What about, so how about top 5 things to look at for an earnings play? How about that for Tuesday? It's kind of technical, right? Like, I'm talking about the technical side of things, right? And then also maybe I'll kind of dive into the fundamentals a little bit as well, right? How do you play ER run-ups? Yeah. Okay, cool. Sounds good. So how to play ER run-ups on Tuesday, since earnings season is going to start next week, you know, for all major companies. And then on Thursday, we'll do a webinar on volume. And then the ticker of the week will be NEO. Yeah? Sound good? Does that sound good, EGA Tribe? I think that sounds good. So just bear with me if you don't see the stream on Monday, which, by the way, I'll make a... If the stream is really not going to be here on Monday, what I'll do is I'm going to make a YouTube community post, okay, to update you guys. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but from time to time, I post things in the community here. So there's like a YouTube wall where I post things here. And I'll make a post here, you know, if you guys, you know, if I don't do the live stream Monday, I'll make a post there, okay? So that way you guys know what's going to be coming, okay? Whether I'm going to be here on Monday or not, all right? But you know me, I'm definitely not going to miss it if I absolutely can't. The thing is, I move on Sunday, so I'm thinking by the time I set everything up and this and that, and I want to get a new desktop computer, I want to get my screen set up, I want to get my mic set up, the lights and everything, and, you know, the overlays, and get it properly set up. I'm thinking it might take an additional day, so I might think I'm going to use Monday to do that. But as I said, if everything goes well, I'll be there on Monday. I'll be here on Monday as usual. And then maybe on Tuesday, we'll start with the new setup. So maybe Monday, we'll still do like the Surface Pro version of the stream. And then on Tuesday, we'll get down and dirty with the new setup. And yeah, that's what's going to happen. I'm just going to tell you guys that this stream is about to see new heights, all right? And I'm like, you don't understand how excited and how amped I am, all right? And you're finally going to be able to see me, all right? You're going to be able to see me live every day, which is going to be great, all right? You'll see my face, and you'll see my animated hand gestures, and my super cool Golden State Warriors snapback. Well, I only have 2 snapbacks right now, so you'll see me alternate between those 2. But this is going to be awesome, guys, all right? So I'm really, really excited. Okay, so that's done. Let me actually just make a note of this so that I know. New ticker, NEO, and then playing ER run-ups or top 5 something something, top 5 tips maybe, and then we'll be using volume and OBV for high success rate setups. Something like that. Okay then. It's locked in, guys. We're locked in. Yes, the most effective play. Okay, cool. I have a couple Boeing calls, and then you think I should sell, open, hold on to them. I will hold on to them if they're long expiry. Do what you need. Excited for your new setup. Thank you, Melissa. Appreciate that. Can't wait. Awesome. Alrighty. Let's see. Were there any tickers called out today? I have a lot of free time to do tickers today, so why not, right? Put your tickers down if you want me to analyze them and give you my opinions. This is, you know, probably the only place you can get somebody who's gonna CRM. There we go. CRM 270 calls for November 20. Let's have a look. I like CRM. Oh, we haven't even missed this yet, guys. Looky at it. It's actually a great, glorious play. Mighty. This looks beautiful. Bottom trend line looks like it's coming into the demand zone here. This was a previous supply zone, and now it's a demand zone, right? Nice little dual zone, and it's hit the bottom of the trend line up, looking good. Only thing that is not that great. Oh, volume's also not bad, actually, above average here as of yesterday. So let's actually have a look at this on a 10-minute chart and see what's going on. Wow, perfect bounce here. Wow, this is great. Good volume came in here too. Yeah, I like this. We're going to open up at 259. I think we could take this up to, you said 270? Oh, dude, that looks beautiful. Nice little swing trade. Swing trade, 270. That is perfect. Wow, Landon, I'm so impressed. Yes, that is a great trade. I like it. Love it. Absolutely love it. I think CRM is a good play there. I'm actually going to put this down myself because I think I might take it, to be honest. CRM 270, 1120. That's going down my notes, on my very beautiful notes. Let's see here. What else? Okay. We can do moving averages another time, guys. Okay. Amazon 3,500 lottos ending today. Oof. I don't think so. But maybe I may be surprised. You know, I may be surprised. I don't know. But I don't think so personally. But who knows? To be honest, who knows? Okay, I mean, I doubt it, but I don't think it's gonna hit though. Maybe, I mean, if you're scalping it, then maybe, but definitely not like a day trade. RKT, I don't know. Okay, Facebook 180, October 23rd. That's next week expiry, right? 180 for Facebook. You're saying 180 calls. Wait, 180? Nah, you mean 280? You mean 280 and you're betting it to go all the way back up here? I don't think so. Nope. Sorry. It's too many strikes to cover, I think. That's my personal opinion, though. But I do see it. So it came down and covered this gap nicely, and now it's going to go up to cover that gap. So maybe 275 would have been a better strike, to be honest, for this Facebook one. When will you be taking AMD on a dip? I'll be taking AMD on a dip today. Zoom. Hey, Henry, I know maybe it's your first time on the stream, and for all other people who are here for the first time, there is a approved format for how you can tell me how to analyze your ticker. If you give me a ticker, you have to follow up by giving me the strike price and the expiry of the contract that you're trying to trade. If you're just trading stocks, tell me if you're trading stocks at what level are you planning to enter or what level you're planning to exit, so that I can further understand. Part of the stream is not to give handouts, okay? Part of the stream is to educate you. This is a pure educational stream where we concentrate on education and, you know, profits later. All right, we think about I teach you what the way that I'm observing is, and then you can, you know, the ultimate goal is that you don't need me. All right, that's the main thing here. RKT $25 calls for 1030. That was a good one, I think. Consolidation, man, it needs to break above here, like 23.63. It's risky. I would say RKT is risky. Netflix 560, 1030. Netflix is a good one. 560 for 1030. Yeah, this is a good one. I like this one. 1030. Yeah, you have enough time for that. That's possible. 2 weeks. Yep, I think so, maybe. And it's already at 551, so you're good to go. It's already $10 up pre-market. Yeah, I would say hold that one. Netflix looks okay. Fastly 1030, $94 calls. Ooh, a lot of tickers coming in today. Okay. Also, try to limit your ticker request to one so that other people have a what do you call it? A chance as well. Okay. Fastly 1030, $94 calls. $94 calls for 1030. Yeah, I mean, possibly. Yeah, it seems okay, but I would say avoid getting trapped. That's what I would say, you know. Yeah, look, I mean, it looks like a safe play, to be honest. I don't see this like staying down here for the longest time. It has a huge gap to cover. It has to at least go up to like $100 somehow. I would say, yeah, probably. Amazon 3,700s for 11.20 earnings per run up. Yep. Yeah, probably, but I think your strike's a bit high. That's all I'm gonna say. Microsoft 10.23, 22 to 225 calls. Why didn't you take the 10.30? That would have covered earnings. I would have taken the 10.30 to be honest. You pay a little bit more premium, and if you buy this probably today, you should be okay. To be honest. Bank of America 23.50 calls 11.13. 23.50. 23.50. Let's see. Okay, in the money calls here. Yeah, it looks decent, I would say. It looks decent. I would hold it. PayPal 210, 1020. 210, 1020. Yep, looks good. PayPal is good. Nice little bullish trend here with PayPal. I like it actually. I've got to add this one to my watch list. For this coming week. The other one I was looking at is Sunrun. I don't know, I mentioned this last week. Sunrun, this is a good one. But the only problem with this is the IVs on these contracts are super high, the calls. You should look at this one. It's a nice little bounce play here. Looking really decent for a bounce play. That's what I think. Piton, 1030. Oh, what just happened? Piton, 1030, 110 put. Yeah, you know what? This one needs to be shorted. Yeah, this one needs to be shorted for sure. Yep. Yep. I might get into Piton puts, to be honest. Yeah. Yep. 110. Yep. Sounds good. And for what expiry? 1030? Yeah, possibly. I think it's a good idea. Just check the IVs on these contracts. I think Piton's a good one to short. I'm going to add this to the watch list as well. Piton. Oh, yeah, I already have it there. Yeah, Piton short. Not sure exactly what we will short it at, but actually that one's a pretty decent one. Piton short for, what was it? 110 puts for 1030. Yeah, looks decent. I'll check on this though. 110 puts for 1030. We'll check on this. I'm gonna check on this a little later, see if it's worth it to take it. Just basis on the Greeks and stuff like that. Apple 130 for 1030. Yep, I think should be okay. But 130 is a bit far out strike. But you know what? It might not be bad. Yeah, I think it's okay. You cover earnings there, so it's good too. Neo 27 call 1023. I think you gotta be careful with Neo. I think it has to retrace before it goes up further. Just saying. I mean, not like it can't go up further. All I'm saying is be careful. That's all. Top of the wheel, selling Apple calls. I'm thinking 128 calls for 1030. I don't recommend that. I don't recommend this. I think you would rather sell puts instead of selling calls. You would rather sell puts on Apple. Disney 130. Wait. This thing keeps jumping all over the place. Disney 130, 1120. Disney. Let's have a look. Oh boy, Disney. We've been waiting for Disney for a while, huh? Look at this crazy pattern that we drew on it. Let's actually get rid of the fib now, because the fib is now voided. And we'll get rid of this trend line here. Actually, we'll get rid of all the trend lines because we need to do new trend lines now. Okay. You know, it's not too bad, to be honest. It's looking good. You said 130. Yep, I will hold that for sure, Chase. That's a good one. 130 calls. Yep, looks decent. And I think it has potential to break out as well. So yeah, absolutely. I don't want to be a sign. Baba 310 calls. Yep, I'm intending to hold Baba calls soon. I'll probably buy them today. What's up, Sky? If you're here new to the live stream, make sure you smash the like button. All of you guys who are here, please, guys, help me get to 100 likes today. Come on, we're at 69 likes. I'm sure that we can get to 100 likes. Can we do it today? Please, guys. Spend 1 minute of your time, or no, what do you mean by 1 minute? It's like 5 seconds to find the thumbs up or the like button and just hit it. because then that helps me out tremendously. Like, you don't understand how much it helps me out, but I really would appreciate it if you just hit the like button, you know, if you're enjoying the stream so far. Would it be good to roll out Boeing 300 Gen calls to a further date? Yeah, you could if you want, to be honest. I think it's a good idea. Microsoft 235 for 1218. Yep, those are good. AMC $4 calls Gen 21. Sure, that's good. Z 115. That is what, Zillow? This is 115 1023. 115. Nah, your strike's too high. And that's next week expiry, Patrick. I don't think it's a good idea. Your strike's a bit too high. You got to go lower strike, to be honest. You got to go like 105. You got to go 107, something like that. That's a bit more realistic. I think that might be a bit too optimistic. CRM had unusual flow yesterday. 250. Yep, that's what I said. CRM is a good one. As I told you, I'm going to put it. I already have it here, right? CRM is definitely a good one to buy. What was your AMD call? 88 calls 1023 or 1030? 1030. It covers earnings. MRK 82 call 1120. MRK. Oh, Maersk. This is also... Oh, wow. What the heck is going on with this one? Jeez. Wow, this is very volatile. And you're buying calls on this? Nah. Not a good idea, man. Stop trying to catch the bottom, man. Jason, why you always be catching the bottom, though? Don't catch the bottom. Don't try... Look what is forming here. There's a death cross forming, okay? This is already in a bearish formation. Yeah, it could probably go further up, but then don't try to catch the bottom. It could keep going down. I don't recommend doing that. You know, like you're trying to catch where this bottom is, and you do not know when it's going to be. You would rather wait for the bottom to be over, and then wait for the confirmation of the waves up, and then start taking that trade instead of trying to catch the bottom. Don't do that. I don't recommend this. Would you sell a put on run since the IV is high and it looked like it sold off a bit? Yep, I think that's a good idea. You could sell a put, but remember, if you sell a put, you got to be ready to buy them shares. So be careful there, Daniel. T, when you get a chance on the trade, let's say price is at $95, you get out at 100 when you what? T, when you get on a trade, let's say the price is at $95 and you get a $100 call, you get out once it hits the $100, or do you hold it longer? It really depends. So what you're saying is, do I hold it now that it's in the money, or do I sell it when it hits my target? Well, it depends on what your trade thesis is, right? Let's say all the while you were thinking that your target was, let's say, 105, right? Let's say the resistance was at 105. Well, then selling at 100 doesn't make sense. You got to know where your support and resistance is, and then also if 105 is your resistance and you see that, obviously you don't get out at 105. You get out at 103 or 104. You start scaling out of your position, right? You don't remember. I think one of the biggest problems that you guys make is you're always scaling in immediately and you're scaling out immediately. You don't do the thing where like you sell one contract and then one contract and then one contract. Like, you got to realize this is not a game where you like just go all in and all out. No, it's not like that. You got to take your positions, ease into them, and then ease out of them. So like if you're buying calls here, you buy one here, and then as it goes up, you add one more. If it goes up, you add one more, and then when you're approaching your resistance here, you sell one as you're approaching, another one as you're approaching, another one as you hit the resistance. That way, you're easing in out of your position and you're easing out of the position. You have risk controlled on both sides. Okay, that's one of the best things you can do. Oh, thank you very much for the $4 donation, Patrick. I appreciate that very much. Remember, guys, anything that you donate to the stream today or even next week on, you are basically contributing towards the new setup of the stream. Okay, so I really do appreciate every single dollar that you guys donate, and it's really appreciative. All right, I can't say much more than that. Like, thank you for the coffee. Is that it? Come on, you guys have no more tickers for me? Oh, TSM, there we go. TSM 990 October 30. TSM 90. Oh, wow. Yeah, this one's super bullish. Yeah, this one's like super bullish. Let's see here. Looking interesting. Okay, let's see here. There's a trend line right here. Hold up. Let me draw this out real quick. So Like, okay, so obviously this takes a lot like practice, right? Like, so what I'm about to draw here, it's like, you know, I'm trying to find where the trend is, right? What's the trend at? What's the trend at, right? So you can see there are a couple obvious trend lines, right? You start with this peak here, you can come down here. There's one trend line right there, right? And that's a pretty good trend line right there. And then what you're also looking at is kind of like this. There's also like a wedge here, but it's like a reverse wedge. It's kind of weird. And then also we have another trend line right here, right, coming down from here. This one's not really a perfect trend line. And then there's gonna be another trend line right here. So what we're gonna do is draw. Oh, actually, here I have a better idea. So we're gonna do a parallel channel, and we're gonna draw it from here, and we're gonna draw it to here, and then we're gonna do this channel. Oh, yeah, perfect. There we go. That's much easier. And then we're gonna drag this all the way out here so that we can see where that trend line is going. Okay, perfect. Now we have a proper trend line. We're gonna change the color of this because I do not like this blue color. Makes me really weird. There we go. Purple. Much better. Much better. Purple's much better, guys. Okay, purple. Okay, now listen. Now that you can see this obvious trend here, we're in the middle of this trend line, and you're saying take 90 calls for October 30th. I kind of want to say that TSM has to go down before it has to go up. So I would say avoid buying it right now. Wait a little bit, maybe. Also, pretty extended over the moving average, so wait for it to come back down to earth. Sky, once again, if you are asking me about KRBP, I need you to put it in this format. Like, what kind of a, what kind of a contract are you taking? All right. Are there any mods here to help me control some of these, people who are being crazy in the chat? I'd appreciate that. Also, who wants to volunteer as being a mod of the EGA channel? I will give one of you guys a mod status right now if you can prove to me that you're worthy. Also, smash the like button while you're waiting. You have to be one of the people that have been attending the stream regularly. I will not just make anyone a mod. So I know who you are if you say that you want to be a mod. So that, I have some people regulating this chat from time to time. That's really important to me. PFE, $40 calls. Let's see here. PFE, Pfizer, $40 calls, 1120. $40 calls, 1120. Whoa! That's really far up, man. Nah, I don't. Louis, I don't think you want to take that far of a strike, man. That's really far. I don't think there'll be a good chance of that. Tesla 450, 1016. Douglas, I see you. I see you with the 0 day. You know what? Why not? I think so. Yeah. If you want to scalp it, do it. I recommend it. If you're gonna go 0 days to expiry, that's the one you want to go. I think taking in the money here would be expensive, but it would be worth it. That's what I think. UPS 1120. And by the way, if you're planning to take this contract, make sure it's a scalp so that you get in and out really quickly. UPS 1120 175s. UPS 1120 175. Yeah, that's good. Hold that one for sure. Looking good. UPS is super strong, man. Crazy. This stock is nuts. DocuSign 240 calls for 1030. We went through Docu last week. I think yeah, it's looking good. It's still looking good. Looking good for a uptrend here. Back again. We were actually looking. Oh, so this is now void. See, the only thing about Docu that I don't like is this would be too simple of an uptrend. I feel like it's gonna, continue going sideways for a while. So be careful. Just be careful, okay? It looks bullish, but yeah, be careful. Car. Let's see here. Oh. T will trade coffee donations for mod status. I can help mod if needed, David. Okay, I don't miss these streams. I can help too, Andrew. Where Robinhood is at. OS member for a long time too. Okay, let's see. Who is the OG from this crew? I feel like I feel like Douglas, I've seen you probably here for the longest time. And you were the first person to say it. Okay, we'll give Douglas a shot. Alright, I'll add you to the moderator list. And you know what? I'm feeling a little generous today, so I'll add you to Andrew. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Now you guys are mods. Make sure you guys keep my chat clean. Don't want no people posting bullcrap here, okay? I mean, don't be deleting like super harsh comments. It's like it's their own, you know, their own opinions. If they want to put stuff down, that's whatever. But like, as long as people are like putting gibberish in the chat, that's all I want you to get rid of, because it doesn't make sense at all. Let's keep the chat clean as possible. All right then. Like this comment right here. This is weird, right? This the one should be good. Like, should be gone. All right then. Cool. Okay, let's go back to these. Car 35 calls for 12.18. Car 35 calls for 12.18. Carrier. Let's see here. Wow, this is also one of those on a crazy uptrend. What the heck does this? Oh my god, this, what in the world? What the heck does this company even do? What in the world? Wow. Oh, I know this brand. Yo, they do air conditioning. Yeah, that's right. Holy crap. Wow. I never thought about trading this one even. Yeah, looks decent. Car 35 calls. Yeah, hell yeah. Sure. But wouldn't you want to wait for a dip down here though? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, it is already on the moving average. Looking interesting. Yeah, I mean, sure. This looks like a great stock to just buy and hold, to be honest. Call spread. Call credit spread on SPY 350, 351. You want to sell calls here, so you might want to instead do 353, 352, right? That's where the interim resistance is. If you're expecting the price to stay down that way, you're gonna sell a call spread here. Then I would do 353 and 352 instead. But obviously those will net you a little bit higher credit. So are you talking about when do you want these to expire, Aaron? That's a question. New IPO. Facebook 280 for 11.6. Facebook 280 for 11.6. Okay, I like the strike, but I don't like the expiry. 11.6 is, you know, you have 3 weeks to hit it, and Facebook doesn't have a very good track record of just coming down and going up that fast. That's the thing about it. I would give yourself more time, like maybe 11.20 would be better. I would do that instead. Welcome into the stream, guys. Make sure you smash the like button if you're here. Appreciate you guys taking your time out to be here. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. Come on, 14 more likes. Can you help me get there today? Come on, guys. Please help me get there. 14 more likes. We can do it, I'm sure. We'll trade that. Okay. Let's see. I don't miss it. Netflix $600 calls for today. Netflix $600 for Netflix $600 calls for today. Come on, $50 move? Nah, don't think so. I mean, you're welcome to take it, but I don't think so. Sorry. Divergence Piton 1 chart. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, I saw that. I did see that. Yes, there is divergence on Piton. I agree. Yes, agreed. There is divergence here. Yeah. Yep. I would definitely be looking to short Piton, and that's what we had here. Piton short. Boom, 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 boom. Hell yeah. Awesome, awesome. What's wrong with my internet now? What's wrong with my internet? Oh no. What's going on? I don't know. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I think it's just this battery thing going nuts. This is why I need a new computer, guys. Okay. Can I try a shot at mod? Yeah, sure. Sure, you can have it. You've been here for a while. All right, got you. You're now a mod. Okay, AC Company borrow goes to the earnings. Yeah, that's a good one. I plan to be a Jack. Jack is in chat. Test the new mods. Do so, David. That would be fun. Just don't go overboard. I don't mind it. Are you still holding Boeing? No, I actually sold that, Daniel, and I really regret it. But it's all good. It's all good in the hood. Okay, can we get 8 more likes before I get out of this stream? Can we get 8 more likes, guys? I want 8 more likes, and then we end the stream. By the way, for people who joined the stream late, just so you know, new ticker of the week for next week is Neo. We're going to do a webinar on playing ER run-ups on Tuesday. And we are also going to do a webinar on using volume and OBV on Thursday. These will be the webinars for Tuesday and Thursday. And new ticker will be Neo. Okay. Yep. Looking at a CRM long and a Piton short. Those will be the official kind of call outs for the stream. So, yep, that is all for the stream today. 99 likes. Come on. One more like, guys. Who's going to be the last like today? Come on. Who's going to be the last like? Hi, great content. When you said you would try to get into AMD call on a dip or Monday, do you mean you would wait for a red day or just wait for a dip with much of the market open gains? Yeah, so that's what I was talking about. AMD here. What we want to do is, so we were actually looking to get it at this bottom channel here, somewhere at 80 to 82. That's what we were looking at. But now it looks more and more likely that we're gonna bounce in this demand zone here. So I'm looking on the next wave down. We're going to open up here. If we get rejected and come back down, then I'll take AMD upward. So I want it to come down, get rejected by this moving average, and then I'll take AMD to the top here. To $88 calls for 1030. That's the official one. 100 likes. Awesome. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for the amazing job. Collective effort. What can I say? I have the best EGA tribe in the world. Now, as you all know, this weekend's going to be a busy weekend. So wish me luck as I try to juggle school, work, and moving an apartment at the same time. I appreciate each and every one of you guys supporting the stream, coming here day in, day out, being with me as a family. We've been really killing it recently. And, you know, if you spend your time here, you know how worth it is coming to these streams. It literally pays for itself to just be here, okay? Because of the things we talk about, the things we discuss, the collective effort as a tribe. And you know what? I like the fact that this is a small, intimate stream. I like the fact that, you know, very few people turn up here and, you know, we're not as big as like the other streams where we have thousands of people. It's very difficult to regulate the chat. We have a quality stream here where we focus on trade ideas and break them down individually. If we had thousands of people here, it would be impossible to run the stream the way that I do it. And, you know, the dynamics of it would have to change very severely. So stay tuned for a lot of new things coming this next week. And I wish you guys a great weekend. I want to say, you know, have a good one. Make sure that you rest and relax. Big week ahead. Earnings coming up for major companies next week. So do some homework over the weekend. You know, see what you need to do. Always, as usual, if you need me, I'll be on Instagram or on Discord. You can reach out to me anytime and I will be able to answer your questions. So definitely be on here on Monday. All right. Definitely worth it. I'm learning so much here. Thank you for attending, Kelly. Have a good weekend, all of you guys, and peace out. See you for New Ticker Monday on Monday with Neo. Peace, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.